Well, this is actually classic Josh fashion. You know why? Because it's almost 3 p.m. So welcome back everybody to After 3 p.m. with the Stokos. Not just with Josh, but with the Stokos today. And we're leaving late, just as we like it. Where are we going?
To waterfalls.
We're going to see some waterfalls and go and look at a nice view. So let's go and do that on our Sexmobile. The no numbered plate. It's funny actually, I just realised that. Is it meant to have a number plate?
But I guess they've got all.
Right, let's go, Luke. We're ready for our rainy day excursions. At least we shouldn't need sun cream. You got to watch riding these round here with all the sand. Fucking not good, you'll fucking just slip right off.
Yeah, that's funny when we were trying to overtake the car.
All good, real good. The person to pay might not even be here, might just be able to walk straight in. Up the jungle path, Luke. There's quite a lot of bikes here actually. Yeah, mate, all good I think. I'm just going to shove it right in front of this side. Right, here we are. This is the start of it. You'll like this walk up actually. And the last time I was here with bloody Amaris.
Yeah.
It was well, this is a bit more. I can't put that in. Luke. Last time I was here, I was with because of viewers.
I know.
Last time I was here was with Amaris, and now I get to spend it with you. I think it's better. We'll be able to do more cool shit, mate. It was fucking funny though. Oh, these steps are new. These steps were not here last time.
No.
Thank you, whoever's built that. Yeah. I don't even know if this wood handrail was here the last time. Or this. This is new. What the fuck? Literally a couple of months. It's mad how things change in just a couple of months. Yeah, these were not here. I swear. Or were they? I don't know. I feel like they weren't. We up. Almost there, brother. Almost there. There's some people chilling here, which is a surprise. Boy, yeah. Shit. There it is. Cool, they look picture perfect there. Right, try and cross over here. Yeah. How sick. Boy, watch out, bit slippy, boy. Boy. We made it. There's the pool. I wonder how cold it's going to be in there. We'll soon fucking find out. Let's get in there. I bet I can see the rock from there. That was a bit better, I think. Good 4 or 5 months since I've been here. It's cool today. It is cool today. He's going again. I'm on you, boy. Oh, don't go too far out. You gotta go right in the middle. Don't stand there for too long. Just do a front to start, and then go back. Just go again. It's all right. Pain is temporary, mate. Go on, bro. That's the one. There's people behind you. There's people waiting, mate. You gotta go. There's people waiting. Be careful though. Hey! 10 out of 10. That was very good. Hi. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, the ring. Fuck, it's sick. Those tan lines, mate. That's another level. I'll just pass by you. Thank you, brother. Have a little explore up here. Yeah. Beautiful, dude. Yo, I think there's like a whole forest track you can do up that ways, but we don't want to go that way. Oh, look, another pool. Go on, swim through it and go up the rock. That's the part of the adventure. We're waterfall adventuring now. Just got to be careful of feet and rocks. No twisted ankles. Hell yeah. What's the day after Christmas Day called? Oh yeah, Boxing Day Adventures with the Stokos. We're rock pooling. Wahoo! Wait, what day is it today?
Friday.
Oh shit, Saturday tomorrow. Okay. Huh? We could do. It's not too far from here to this nice bar with a really nice view. Wow!
Looking at it, it looks like the water's coming out of the pipe.
Yeah. Look at that massive boulder. Whoa! Be careful, please. Do not. I don't need. You know, one of my youngest memories is probably you cracking your head in Hawaii. Do you remember that? Maybe you were even too young. You cracked your head like outside our apartment in just on the outside of our apartment. Oh, it'd be easier to go this way, no? Oh, we're getting up high. You could have come. Oh yeah, no, that's a bit dodgy actually. Rock scampering. Be careful, please. Life is so fragile. Remember that. Life is so fragile. Be careful. Do not try this at home. What would you do? What would you do if we got like up here further than anyone else, and then there was a secret second one, truly secret one, and there was like, it was a titty bar. Oh, this is one. Look, this is a secret one by the big boulder. Look at that. We found a secret pool. Let's get in it. Let's get in it. Oh my god. I hope it's not like the duck one. Oh, it's not actually that deep. It's nice. Oh, it's a big rock. Oh. I mean, no. I mean, maybe. Luke, come look at this. There's a big boulder. There's a big boulder here. I would like to do some at some point. Maybe not today. No, we don't have to do everything today. Why would come look at this ball. Oh, maybe I made it murky. Look at that ball. It's so interesting. Look, come look. But how? No, but you got to think about how you're getting down also. It's not the easy.
Yeah. Your hand as far as you can in that rock in front of you. There you go.
Whoa, look at that big slab that looks like it's propped up by that other rock. That's mad. I haven't been up this far. Someone has though, with these petals. Look at that. Whoa. That's sick. What's in there?
I need to try and get this big face back right there.
Yeah, it goes to the right a bit. Oh yeah, wait, that's good. Stay there. He's holding it up. Hold it. Hold it, Luke. Hold it. Yes, there is dangerous spiders here. That's sick though. So many pipes.
There you go,
Careful. Wow. Just more pools. That's a pretty sick spot. I would bring a bird here and fuck them. Yeah? Nah, maybe just finger. Maybe this is just a finger spot. Wow! Wow! Waterfall! I just heard another voice. It wasn't ours. Please be careful. Yo! That's nice. That's nice, bro. Oh, look. The path comes from there, go across here, continue up there. Not for us though, it continues in the fucking water. The key is to keep a low center. Where?
In front of you.
Where? Oh yeah! And it's moving. It's a fucking spider. Okay, it's a nice easy climb, maybe grade 2, grade 3. Whoa, we found the secret, the double extra secret pull. Don't jump, one hand at a time. There's a handheld on top. Mate, look, we've actually found another proper pull here. I bet that's deep in the middle. Ow, ow, that's a very spiky rock. Ow, ow, ow! I bet you could jump from here into that middle pool. Look at this. Hell yeah! Look, this is fucking lush. You ready? I think it's deep enough. 3, 2, 1. I touched the bar. I'm standing up. Yeah, but just to jump from that rock is not going to hurt you, is it? Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, boy! This is sick! Yahoo! It was all for this. My whole life was leading up to this moment, Lee. And later, it will all be leading up to the moment where I eat shrooms again. Let's go get in the water bar. There's more cobwebs. Why are you building your web here? Why? Luke, I'm going under the webs. I see the spider. Oh, it's deep here. Woo! Woo! Why are you not coming in? Look at that. So after coming from all the fucking way down there, maybe about half a mile up the rocks, we reached this place. And it looks like, oh, he's straight in there. And it looks like there's a river pass through that leads under them fucking huge rocks. So we're going to try it and walk up through there. Oh. Mate, that looks fucking gorgeous, eh? Oh, that's slippy as fuck. We're going to give it a little dive in there. Phew. Yeah, clear that part. Baby! Oh. That looks sick, boy. Look, don't judge me because I can't swim right. I've got one arm. I'm talking to the camera saying, don't judge me if it looks like I'm doggy paddling. I've got one arm to film. Oh, it wasn't me.
I was going to go down through heaven. Stuck in here.
That's a good idea. Come here. Oh. This is a gorgeous pool though. This is obviously a place you're meant to hike up to.
Yeah, there's some people who came down.
Yeah. Oh my god. So, as you can see, I've smashed my fucking lens, but I've got to keep it on. This is what it's going to look like for a while. Jesus. Oh, damn it. That is so frustrating. Okay, let's try this. We're making it, slowly but surely. This footage is going to look so bad until I can take this fucking lens thing off. But then I just won't be able to go in water with it without my other one.
Unless there's a shop.
I'm a jungle boy, just trying to jungle it. What a spot. What a spot, man. How's my hair look? It's a bit wet. Oh. Easy does it. Nice. Right, now off to a cool little spot with a nice view that I know. Show the boy. Let's go. I've almost died so many times today. It's not good. I've been very close to death. That is a bad handrail.
10-10 would come again if they fixed the last handrail.
I 10-10 did come again. And I would come again.
That must have been awkward when I'm up before.
Yes, it was. There was nothing, I swear, like when I was here last time. Lovely though.
Perfect berm to go down.
Yeah, mate. Do that in the ped.
Yeah, no. Fucking take the corner right instead of fucking round. He's on that fucking viewpoint.
It's very sandy. We gotta go on this side. There you go. That wasn't hard. That was easy peasy. That view, baby. That view. Looking good actually. Banging. Banging. We got a fish and chips up in this bitch. Treating ourselves. Cheers. Yeah, bloody nice spot, eh? Bloody nice spot that. Right, let's go. That's nice, eh? Nice. Wow. Wow. That's cool. Be trippy going through there on mushies. Hell yeah. Damn. Everyone pulled up here taking their photos. That's wicked. Big hill.